So in this question, you're given the definition of phi of x in terms of limit. So phi of x is equal to limit n tends to infinity x power 2n times f of x plus g of x by 1 plus x power 2n. So now, as you can see, the variable of the limit is the number n. So whatever is this function depends on what this term x power 2n becomes, because n is present only in these two terms. So if you analyze what happens to x power 2n as n tends to infinity, you can very clearly see the piecewise definition of phi of x. So first let us analyze that. So limit n tends to infinity x power 2n is nothing but limit n tends to infinity x square whole power n. X power 2n is x square whole power n. So that is equal to, now you are powering some number to infinity. So this is equal to infinity if x square is greater than 1, right? If x square is a number which is greater than 1. So any number greater than 1 power infinity goes to infinity. And if x square is less than 1, this number goes to 0. A fraction power infinity is 0. And if x square is exactly equal to 1, it is exactly equal to 1. So 1 power any number is equal to 1. So depending on where the value of x square is, you get different limits for x power 2n. So x square greater than 1 implies mod x greater than 1. X square less than 1 means mod x less than 1. X square equal to 1 is mod x is equal to 1. So in different cases, this x power 2n tends to different values. So let us see what phi of x is. So phi of x is equal to, as you can see, as x, if mod x is greater than 1, both these terms go to infinity. So with respect to these terms, g of x and 1 can be neglected, because these are finite numbers. With respect to infinity, these two can be neglected, and x power 2n and x power 2n gets cancelled. So you get f of x as the answer. And if mod x is less than 1, x power 2n goes to 0. So this goes to 0 and this goes to 0. So you get g of x by 1, which is equal to g of x. And if mod x is equal to 1, x power 2n goes to 1. So if you put 1 in this place, you get f of x plus g of x by 2. F of x plus g of x by 2. So this is the piecewise definition of phi of x. So option D is the right answer.